In this video, we'll look at half-life and the uses and dangers of radioactivity, part of your IGCSE Physics course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, define half-life. Second, read a decay curve. And third, give uses and dangers of radioactivity. Radioactive decay is completely random. We can never say when one particular nucleus will decay. But with huge numbers of atoms, a clear pattern appears. The half-life is the time it takes for half of the radioactive nuclei in a sample to decay. Because fewer nuclei means fewer decays per second, it's also the time for the measured count rate, or activity, to halve. And it keeps going. After one half-life, you have a half left, after two a quarter, after three an eighth, as this curve shows. Radioactivity is genuinely useful. In medicine, a small amount of a radioactive tracer can be followed through the body with a detector to see how an organ is working. Focused gamma rays are used to destroy cancer cells in radiotherapy. Carbon dating uses the known half-life of carbon-14 to work out the age of ancient wood, bone, and cloth. And there are everyday uses too. The alpha source in a smoke detector, and gauges that check the thickness of paper or metal sheets as they're made. But radiation is also dangerous because it's ionizing. It can damage or even kill the living cells it passes through. If it damages the DNA inside a cell without killing it, it can cause mutations that may lead to cancer. So we keep exposure as low as possible in three ways. Use shielding like lead, keep your distance from the source, and spend as little time near it as you can. In the lab, that means handling sources with tongs rather than fingers, and storing them in lead-lined boxes. There's a worked examples video on half-life calculations next. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. Define half-life. Question 2. After two half-lives, what fraction of the sample is left? Question 3. Give one use of radioactivity. Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. The time for half the nuclei, or the count rate, to halve. 2. 1/4, 1/4. 3. Medical tracers, cancer treatment, or carbon dating. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.